Hello everyone. Yes. Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about relational operators in C++. How many relational operators we have and how these relational operators give us results. So let's see. We have these relational operators in C++. So first one is less than. This is usual less than symbol and its meaning is less than. Then less than equal to, then it is greater than or equal to, double equal to, this is known as equal to operator, and this is not equal to operator. So sometimes we say that relational operators are also comparison operators. So let's see how these operators work. Boolean value means, for example, we have two variables x and y. Let's say we have two variables x and y. Then we can compare these variables. For example, let's say x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 6. So we can compare these variables with the help of Boolean operator. For example, x less than y. So if x is, so we compare it with using if. So if x is less than y, then it will then the result will be true. If x is not less than y, then result is going to be false. So in this case, when x is 5, 6, y is 6, our result will be true. So true means it will give you, compiler will give you 1. Otherwise compiler will give you, if result is false, then compiler will give you 0. Similarly, if we check, let's remove this. Similarly, if we check that greater than operator, x greater than y. So in this case, when x is 5, y is 6, x will be, this result will be false, and then compiler will give you 0. So let's check all these relational operators. Similarly, less than equal to y, is it so? No, then result will be false. Similarly, we can check x is equal, see it is double equal to, is x equal to y? It will be false. For example, if I say that I have two variables, now x is equal to 2 and y also is equal to 2. So and I want to check x equal to y. So this will give us true. It means the answer will be 1. See, there is a difference between this operator and this operator. This is called assignment operator, which assigns the value, to a variable. This is called assignment operator. This is called equal to operator, and it compares the two value. This is called equal to operator, and it compares the two value. So now let's check these relational operators on Visual Studio. So example, let's say I have two variables x and y, and let's say I have another variable z also, and I say z is equal to, what is z is equal to? Z is equal to x greater than y. So it means first it will compare. If x will be greater than y, compiler compares value of x and y. If x is greater than y, then z will be 1, otherwise z will be 0. So let's check it. To check it, we have to assign some value. So let's say I write input x and y. Now we will assign it through scene, input x and y, then scene x, scene y. Now let's run the program. So let's print the value of z also. then only we will check, we will be able to check it. Let's say Cout Z. So now let's run it. So let's say x is 2, y is 5, x is not greater than 5, so z should be 0. See, answer is 0. So in the next run, for example, if I say x is greater than y, for example, if I enter x is equal to 5, for example, if I enter x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3, now x is greater than y, so z should be 1. So similarly, you can check all other. For example, let's say we check x is less than y. This is less than operator. So now when x will be less than y, then it will give you 1. Otherwise, z will be 0. So let's say first true, y is 5. So now x is less than y. Yes, our operator is less than y. So z should be 1. Now when I say, let's say x is greater than y, then it will be 0. Similarly, double equal to, this is called equal to operator. So equal to operator will give you 1 only when both operands are equal, otherwise it will give you 0. So now let's say I enter both x and y, 1 and 1. So now z will be 1. If any one of them is not, means if both of them are not equal, then it will give you 0. For example, x is to y is 6. Now it is 0. So less than, greater than, equal to, then there is not equal to. So not equal to is like this, not equal to. Now it will give you 1 when x is not equal to y. This operator will give us a true result when x is not equal to y. In all cases when x and y are unequal, this operator will give us 1, otherwise it will give us 0. So let's run it. So now let's say x is 2, y is 5. Sorry, x is 2, y is 5. So both are unequal, so it should give us 1. Double equal to means equal to operator, this is not equal to operator. Fine, this is not equal to. So these are relational operators which gives us Boolean result, like you can check the condition, you can compare two variables with the help of Boolean operators. For example, if two operators are, we can check either two operators are equal, not equal, whether they are greater, one is greater than equal to second one or not. So these are, this is all about relational operators. In the next video, we will discuss some other operators. Thank you.